Satnam everyone. In our previous class, we went through an overview of the Gurmukhi script and did row number 1 and row number 2 of the Gurmukhi alphabet. For those who haven't watched the video, please feel free to click on video number 2 of the Learn Gurmukhi series that we have on YouTube. Let's do a quick recap. Row number 1. Uda, U, Eda, A, Edi, E, Sassa, Sa, Ha, Ha, Ha. Row number 2. Kakka, Ka, Khakha, Kha, Gagga, Ga, Kagga, Ka, Nga, Nga. Now, let's move on to the next rows. Row 3. Repeat after me. Chacha, Cha, Chacha, Cha, Jajja, Ja, Chijja, Cha. Try to say it from your stomach so that you give it a little bit of a kick. Chajja. Nya, nya. The last alphabet is a nasal sound, nya. You will notice that from rows 2 to 6, the 5th, which is the last alphabet, will always be a nasal sound. In row number 2, it was nga, and in row number 3, this is nya. If you pay attention, you will see that the sound of each letter in this row is produced when the top of the tongue touches the hard palate in your mouth. Try it for yourself and see again. Chacha, cha, chacha, cha, jajja, ja, chajja, cha, nya. Chacha, cha, chooha, chacha, cha, chamcha. In English, change, charge, chill. In Hindi, chand, chandan, chamak. Chacha, cha, chhatri. Chacha, cha, challi. There are no equivalent sounds in English, so let's take a look at the Hindi words. Chilka, which means peel. Chhach, which means buttermilk. Chhat, roof. Jajja, ja, jahaz. Jajja, ja, jalebi. In English, jam, jug, jaw. In Hindi, jungle, jal, jad. This is the 4th letter. Therefore, it is a combination of the 1st and 3rd alphabets in this row. This is pronounced as chajja, cha. Try to say it from your stomach. Chajja, cha, chanda. Chajja, cha, chadu. In Hindi, the equivalent alphabet is jha, jhoot, jharne, jheel. The same will be pronounced in Punjabi as chajja, cha, choot. The last alphabet in this row will again be a nasal sound, nya, nya. Let's look at row 4. Repeat after me. Tanka, ta, thatha, tha, dadda, da, tadda, ta, Anana, na. Let's pay attention to the tongue placement for all the letters in this particular row. If you look at the illustration, you will see that the tip of the tongue is curled back slightly, and it is the underside of the tongue that hits the ridge of the hard palate. Try to place your tongue accordingly and then repeat the letters. Tanka, ta. Thatha, tha. Dadda, da. Tadda, ta. Anana, ana. Tanka, ta. Tomato. Tanka, ta. Tokri. Examples in English: taxi, turban, tone. In Hindi: tehni, tang, tanka. Thatha, tha. Thappa. Thatha, tha. Thela. There is no equivalent letter in English, so let us take a look at some words in Hindi. Thakur, which means master. Thanda, cold. Thehrav, pause. Dadda, da. Daddu. Dadda, da. Damru. In English: dawn, door, deck. In Hindi: dali, dibba, dori. Tadda. This is the fourth alphabet and therefore a combination of the first and third letters. Tadda. Tadda, ta. Tol. Takkan. There is no equivalent letter in English, so let's take a look at the Hindi examples. In Hindi, this letter is pronounced as dha. Dha dhila, dha dher, dha dhancha. In Punjabi, the same will carry the pronunciation tadda, ta, tol, takkan. The last alphabet is a nasal sound, anana. There are no examples in English, so let's take a look at the examples in Hindi. Gun, which means virtues. Kalyan, welfare. Udaharan, example. Let's move on to row number 5. Repeat after me. Tatta, ta. Thatha, tha. Dadda, da. Tadda, ta. Nanna, na. Let's pay attention to the tongue placement and see how to pronounce these letters again. So for this particular row, it is the tip of the tongue that is hitting against the back of the upper teeth. Let's try saying these alphabets again. Tatta, ta. Thatha, tha. Dadda, da. Tadda, ta. Nanna, na. Tatta, ta. Tarbooj. Tatta, ta. Tin. There is no equivalent letter in the English alphabet, so let's take a look at some words in Hindi. Ta, tan. Tan means body. Ta, tala. Lock. Ta, tees. the number 30. Thatha, tha, thali. Thatha, tha, thermos. Let's try in English. Tha, think. Thermometer. Theatre. In Hindi, thela, thakan, thumb. Dadda, the, dawat. Dadda, the, dand. In English, the, they, therefore, them. In Hindi, the, dil, dimag, dekhna. Tadda. This is the fourth alphabet and therefore a combination of the first and third alphabets, ta and the. Let's try it. Tadda. Tadda, taga. Tadda, tanush. The equivalent alphabet in the Hindi language is dha, for example, dharti. Dha, dharti. Dha as in MS Dhoni, the cricketer. Dha, dharam. Dha, dhanyavad. The same in Punjabi will be pronounced as tadda, tarti. Tadda, taram. Nanna, na. This is the fifth alphabet in row 5 and therefore it will be a nasal sound. Nanna, na. Nak. Nanna, na. Nimbu. Let's try it in English. Na. Nose. Nail. Note. In Hindi, nadi, namak, naam. At the end of class 3, we've gone through 5 rows of the 35 Akhri, which means that you have learnt 25 letters of the Gurmukhi script already. Well done. 2 more rows to go and we will take a look at these rows in the next class. Hope you had a good time, keep revising and see you soon. Om Satnam.